Our search screen is looking great, but still needs navigation to be complete. We've seen how to use both NavigationPath and Navigation Link to complete this. Out of the two, let's use NavigationPath for this screen. Navigation links are easier, but come with performance issues. If you're just joining us, the starter code for this video is in the description. Let's start in Search View. Make a new line after Search View model. At state private var navigation path equals navigation path. This variable will allow the view to track and control navigation history. Inside navigation stack, add parentheses, path, $, navigation path. This binds the stack's navigation state to our navigation path, letting us push and display views. Scrolling down, we need to append a title to our navigation path when it's clicked. One way is to add a tab gesture to our async image. Make a new line after .frame, .on tab gesture, navigation path, .append title. We just need to tell the path where to go when there's a title object. Scrolling further down, make a new line after .task, .navigation destination or destination. In for, type title .self, tab, press enter to complete the closure. The closure variable can be title, inside the braces, title detail view, title. When the title struct is passed into our navigation path, the view will navigate to title detail view, passing in the tab title. We're ready to run. Please update your API keys for the movie database and the YouTube API inside API config.json. Press Command R to run. Our app is running. Navigate to search. Click on the title. Perfect. Our title detail screen is working. This completes the search screen. To wrap up, I would like to add a button to the title detail screen for the final section. Open title detail view. Make some room after title overview. Button with braces. Label. Inside label text. Constants.downloadString.ghost button. We'll just keep the same button style already made earlier. I do want the button to be in the middle of the screen. Before the button, type hstack with braces. Put 2 spacers. Cut the button and paste it in between. This will center the button. Press Command R to run. The app is running. Click on any title. And our button is showing correctly. This completes our async search bar. We've come a long way with this app, and I want to thank you all for the support throughout this journey. I'll see you in the final section, Swift Data.